Everyone thinks you made it. They see the car you drive, the clothes you wear, the expensive restaurants you visit, the vacations you post online. They see the smile on your face, and they assume your life is perfect. But they never see what happens when you close the door behind you. They never see the late nights, the silent worries, the numbers on your screen that keep getting bigger. Because the truth is, you don't own the lifestyle everyone admires. Your lifestyle owns you. At first, everything felt like success. You worked harder, you earned more money, and finally you could afford the things you always wanted. The new car, the better apartment, the latest phone, the clothes that made you feel confident. You told yourself, I deserve this. I worked hard for it. And maybe you did. But somewhere along the way, you stopped buying things because you needed them. You started buying things because they made you feel successful. Because for a moment, they made you feel like you had finally become the person you wanted to be. People noticed. Your friends complimented you. Your coworkers looked at you differently. Your social media looked better than ever. But nobody knew the price behind the image. Nobody knew that every month started with anxiety. Nobody knew that your paycheck was already spent before it even arrived. Nobody knew that the things you bought to feel free were slowly becoming the things that trapped you. Late at night, when the world was quiet, you would open your banking app, not because you wanted to, because you had to. Checking your balance became something you feared. The bills, the payments, the subscriptions you forgot about, the purchases you barely remembered making. And for a moment, you asked yourself a difficult question. When did I start working so hard, just to maintain a life that I don't even enjoy? Then one day, something changed, not because you became richer, not because you received a huge opportunity, but because you finally became honest with yourself. You realized looking wealthy and being wealthy are two completely different things. A person can have expensive things and still have no freedom. A person can have a simple life and still have peace. So you started making different choices, small choices. You stopped buying things just to impress people who weren't thinking about you anyway. You started spending with purpose. You started saving. You started investing. You learned that building wealth was not about looking successful today. It was about creating freedom for tomorrow. Months passed. Your life looked different, maybe less impressive from the outside. You drove a simpler car. You bought fewer things. You said no more often. Some people didn't understand. They thought you were moving backward, but they couldn't see what was really happening. For the first time, you were moving forward. Because you no longer needed to prove your success, you were finally building it. One day, you checked your account, and something felt different. Not because you were rich, not because you had millions, but because you were no longer afraid. You had control, you had peace, you had options, and you finally understood. Real wealth was never about showing people what you have. Real wealth is having the freedom to live the life you choose. Because the richest person in the room is not always the one with the most expensive things. Sometimes it's the person who needs the least to feel happy.